Hey everyone, hope you well. This is CoinsKid. Just going over to Bitcoin. Big up the CoinsKid crew. So we've seen the Dow breakout, making all-time high. This is something I've been forecasting for the S&P 500, with correlation to the DXY right there. And, this is basically something I've been forecasting for a very long time, that we will see all-time highs in the stock market. And that's exactly what happened yesterday with the Dow. So, it's no new news. I was expecting it, to be honest with you. I was forecasting it and boom, we've hit that level right there. The S&P 500 is still a bit of a laggard, but I do expect it to make an all-time high right there. And it's just confluence in my theory that we would be pushing up into a blow off top phase of this market, and I've gone through this so many times with you, and I find a lot of confluence in many of the charts as well to my analysis. So aside from that, we're doing really well in the crypto markets as well. I've been scouring the charts the past few weeks on this breakout, looking for opportunity. Now there was a coin here that I did post in the Discord TA, the old coin section just there. A lot of people say, where do you post your TA and things like that? Well, I tend to post it in the premium TA section for the premium crew, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, top 10 and altcoins. Okay, so this was a coin that I noted. I've gone through the buy and sell indicator looking for an opportunity, and one of these coins, OMG, oh my's go, had come up, gone sideways on the 20-week EMA, look at that, and the ribbon, and printed a beautiful buy signal way back there a couple of weeks ago basically. And I did relay this on Twitter as well as in the Discord crew right there for the CoinsKid crew. So this is absolutely played out like a boss. I think it broke out yesterday, and it's around about 40% pump from that buy signal right there a couple of weeks ago. So obviously a lot of people get frustrated when I post here that it doesn't happen overnight, but if we start to see the data not emotion, for example, we've come up all the way up from the previous buy signal all the way down there. We had a lovely little sell signal just there at that point, and then boom, 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 come all the way down. Then we repeated it with a beautiful little buy signal just there. We've held it, and right now, Bitcoin goes absolutely bolted last night, okay, under compression lead to expansion. There are still coins with the perfect buy signal sitting just under that compression pattern. I've posted these in the Discord crew for the CoinsKid crew right there, okay. So, let's dive into the Bitcoin chart and see what we can see right now, okay. So taking a quick look at the tweet that I made on January the 6th of this year for the CoinsKid crew, and this is again why I relay in the videos. Please do follow me on Twitter, because it's easier for me to post content on Twitter and the Discord right there than it is to get the videos out. So I did make this post way back when on January the 6th, and right now this particular entry point for myself was played out like an absolute boss. It wasn't a massive entry point, but it's been a really nice return for myself right here. And a couple of people, they did actually buy Bonk way back when as well, and I've had a couple of really nice messages. I do appreciate them, but I do remember that the sort of majority of the comments on this particular tweet were negative, saying no way, and things like that. But I was looking at opportunity, and I did relay this to you many times, that if we are seeing an impulsive move for Bitcoin, which I did expect this year, with the collapse of the DXY and things like that, and the S&P 500 all-time high and things like that, and the Dow has confluenced my theory, then we would be, a fantastic opportunity would be on the table in some of these altcoins. So I was scouring the charts looking for opportunities, and one of them caught my eye, and it was Bonk in the start of the year right here. So I did say took some change at Bonk. Finding the next Shiba would be nice, CoinsKid crew. This is a spot position, not financial advice, no guarantees. Good luck. So that was made on January the 6th this year, and right now that's absolutely bolted. You can clearly see at the moment it's trending. So I will try and make a post out where I do think that we're going to stop and slow down for that particular coin. What I'm looking at is and I did relay this in yesterday's tweet as well, that I do tend to look for market cap as a slowdown in a position in which we do start to see a turnaround in these particular meme coins bolting like this. So this has been an amazing trade for the CoinsKid crew and myself included, okay. So let's dive into the Bitcoin chart right now and see what we can see. So take a look at Bitcoin on the hourly time frame. This trade at the moment has not quite got to the God candle backtest, does it? But we need to see this, because if we don't, this could be an ABC like this, okay, before continuation to the downside. So like I said to you in a previous video, what I've done, I jumped into a long position on Bitcoin. I gave you the opportunity and told you what to do. Basically, put your stop loss on that pivot low. I think we were roughly around about here, weren't we? Break out this small little falling wedge like this, break out and start to come back up. Now, what I'm looking at here, now we've not quite backtested this level of resistance, okay, as previous support. Look at that, boom, 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 breakdown, and right now we're sort of retracing back to it. So I call that the God candle back test. So the clue could be in this particular price action right now that we are about to put in a final fifth wave here into this God candle back test before another ABC correction. Let me go through this with you, okay. So this next correction could be an amazing opportunity for yourself as well, okay. So what I'm looking at, so basically what we need to see is 5 waves up off that point right there, okay, for another little micro impulsive move here for Bitcoin. So in theory, what I think we have done here is an A, a B, and a C. Now, like I said to you, just like the summer C wave, and I did relay this in a previous video to you, we look for 5 waves, don't we, as the opportunity. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. Then from that point here, we've got the 5-wave counter. We can put a stop loss down there on that low, build some long positions, spot positions, whatever, and that negates the impulsive move that comes from that, okay? So we've had a 1, and like I said to you here, I think we've got a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a little micro impulsive move, ABC zigzag coming back. This is where we went long with a stop loss on that low just there, and then we've eventually broke out this falling wedge. So, if you're not long already, I would be a little bit patient here, okay? Because I think we might have a little 5th wave here for Bitcoin, something like this, a little micro impulse as well. Have another little 5th wave here, put in 5 waves, tap this, then make a lower high, then come in for some kind of ABC before the breakout, okay? Because like I said to you, what we do typically see is the 3rd wave break the resistance. So at the moment, this level here on this particular chart is your key resistance, and I think that needs to be broken by a 3rd wave. So what I'm looking at right now is potentially this is some kind of one that's coming up. We have an ABC coming back, and then boom, the 3rd wave. So this pullback, whatever it is, some kind of ABC over the weekend or whatever, this is going to be an opportunity for yourself with your stop loss again on that pivot low, because that's your pivot low of structure at the moment. Do you understand that? That's basically your ABC correction right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, looking for the final 5th wave off this micro impulse here, then an ABC zigzag coming back or flat correction or whatever, retrace the way you come from on wave 1, and then boom, this 3rd wave is the power which takes out all this resistance here and continues to show for Bitcoin, okay? This is a perfect little setup that I'm looking at. The negation of this in the short term is this low here. This is where we've got stops at the moment, okay, to negate this potential trade that I'm looking at for Bitcoin. So basically what we've got here is potential 1, this is an ABC 2, this is a 3, we have a little micro 4 just there, ABC zigzag, and right now this is a final 5th wave. So in theory we should see this high broken, tap this god candle, and then roll into an ABC. That's what I'm looking at over the next few days, okay? I would not expect a big breakout here anytime soon, but obviously I can be completely wrong, okay? So we'll keep an eye on it, but right now we're in a lovely little long position. We're doing really well. Spot positions are doing really well. We're absolutely crushing this market. If you take a look here, again, this is a 5-wave counter. If you take a look at this little micro impulse, you've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and look at this point here, the ABC. Where did it come back to? This god candle breakout. Look at that. Tapped it, and right now possibly 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, and we're looking for a final 5th wave before an ABC opportunity again with your stop loss on that low, and then your 3rd wave is what comes up and takes out that high. Simple technical analysis. I hope it works out like this, because if it does, it'd be absolutely amazing. People say I've got a crystal ball, but I'm just trying to read the ranges basically. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. At the minute, this is where your stop loss is, 40130, to negate any bullish impulse further down the line, okay? Take care everyone, back to another update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.